take those out and clean those as well. And then once we get started with the cleaning, I'm gonna have to run a hose in this house. I'll hook up to your air handler unit. So on my paperwork, it says it's kind of far from the door. Is it somewhere in this hallway? Can you point out to me where it is real quick? Right in here. So once we kind of get started, I'm gonna run that hose. It's gonna have to come through your front door if that's all right. And I can put some stuff on the floor if you need. Hook this up to your air handler, and that's gonna start, the process where we can start cleaning out the ductwork.
Yeah, you got cardboard, paper.
Yeah, I got some drop cloths. I got all kinds of
cloth.
stuff that we can put down. But yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. I mean, we'll probably be here for 2 to 3 hours, kind of depending on how everything goes. But as long as you're okay with us moving through the house and coming in and out as we need to, then we'll kind of get started.
So like our clothes dryer, the vent goes up over the roof, into the roof, over the roof.
Yeah, we'll get up on the roof and check everything.
Are you gonna go on the roof?
I'm gonna get up on the roof. I'm gonna make sure that it's not clogged up there and everything else. Now I'm gonna save the dryer for last because that's usually the easy part. So I'm gonna do the hard part first, and then we'll get to the dryer after. But yeah, we'll go up on the roof, clean that out. I'm gonna get behind the dryer, clean the whole pipe going up to the